Hi lovelies! I'm Sara Lynn, also known as the Domestic Geek. It all starts with our vegetables. We do need to be getting more veggies in our life. So I like to do all of my chopping off the top. I highly recommend you do this during your Sunday meal prep. All of these veggies can actually be chopped in advance, stored in a zipper bag in the refrigerator, so that when you get home from work after a long day, they can all go straight into the pan. This is a very forgiving dish, so you don't have to get too fussy with your chopping or anything like that. I've got a beautiful brazier here. You can definitely do this with a Dutch oven, a soup pot, even a high-sided skillet will work. Things are coming along quite nicely in this pan, so we are going to start to build in our flavor. I like adding my spice just before the rest of my ingredients and cooking it for 30 seconds to a minute. That really helps to maximize its flavor. And then you can start to add your liquids. This is what you end up with. It's nice and thick and delicious. We are going to freshen everything up with some lime juice. Since we have used the liquid from the black beans, there's a lot of sodium in that generally, so you'll just want to make sure you're doing this to taste. Now that this is bubbling away, we can turn our attention to our eggs. I always prefer to crack my egg into a small bowl first before adding it into my pot. That's because I don't want to accidentally get any eggshells in this goodness. And for the moment of truth, this is what you end up with. Soupy, saucy deliciousness. All that's left to do is serve it up. I like to put the soup on the bottom and then a nice poached egg on top. And now it is time for my favorite moment, a little bit of ooze. All right, time for a taste. Guys, that is absolutely to die for. Smoky, spicy, but with a good amount of tartness thanks to all that lime juice, plus the richness of this incredible yolk. Lovelies, this definitely belongs on your must-try list. For more easy weeknight meal ideas just like this, don't forget to subscribe to Food Network.